If you are a beginner and wish to create a blogging website for free, this video is for you. In this video, we will see how to get a free hosting and a domain to practice making a website. We will learn how to import a premium professional template for our website and customize it as per our requirement. We will learn about Elementor, which is the most popular page builder for WordPress. We will see how to create each section of our website using Elementor editor. We will also see how to create different pages of our website. Then we will get on to the most important part of a blogging website, that is writing your first blog. At the end, we will see some important customization for our website to make our website really look professional. Also, we will see some bonus tips about the important plugins which you should use on your blogging website. So let us start. Hi guys, this is Prakash from theskillwheel.com, and here we learn easy step-by-step WordPress web designing without coding. In this video, we will see how we can create a blogging website using free resources. So to create any type of a website, you first need to have a hosting and a domain name. There are two ways to get the hosting and the domain name, and the first one is a paid way. And in this, you can buy a hosting and a domain name from a hosting provider like the Hostinger. So here at a basic price of $2.99, you get a lot of things like unlimited traffic, 100 websites, 100 GB of SSD storage, free weekly backup, free SSL, free domain name, and a free email address. You can also have an optimized WordPress for your website. In the second way, you can get the hosting and the domain name for free, and for this you can make use of hosting providers like 000webhost.com, which provides the hosting and the domain name absolutely free for lifetime. So I have already created a video which is given in the info box, which gives you the details about 5 different hosting providers which provide hosting and domain name absolutely free. In this video, I have also discussed about some sources from where you can get the pro themes and plugins for a very low price. So check out this video. So here on the 000 web host, you will see the plans for the hosting, and the first plan is having 0 monthly charges, and with this plan you can host one website giving 300 megabytes of disk space. It does have a limited bandwidth, but it is sufficient to host a single website. The best part about this website is that you are free to upgrade your website to the paid plan in future. So in this tutorial, we will be making use of the free hosting provided by 000 web host. So let us begin with the first step, and the first step is to create an account. So I will go to sign up, and here I will create my credentials. And I will hit the sign up button. So here is a captcha. So I will select the motorcycles. So now it says we sent a confirmation email and we just need to verify the email address. So I will log into my email ID. So here is the email, and I just need to verify my email address. And hit the get started button. So here you get different options like learn web development, build an online store, create web design, start a blog, and others. So I will go with the last option, others, because I will be custom developing the website. So I will skip this step. And I just need to name the project. So I will say tutorial 1. I just need to create a password for this. And submit it. So it says another website with this name already exists. So I just need to change the name of this project. So let us try one more time. So it now says the website has been created and we need to install a WordPress here. So I will select install WordPress. I need to give the admin username and a password. And now I will say install. So it has started installing WordPress on the domain. So with most of the free hosting providers, you will see that you get a subdomain to develop the website. So if you want to have your unique domain name, you can go for a paid option where you can create your own domain name. So here it says go to configuration page and we can just click on this. So here we are on the WordPress dashboard and we just need to enter the email address or the username and the password. So I will key in the information and I will just tick this box and say login. So now we are done with installing WordPress on our website. So for those who are new to WordPress, WordPress is a PHP-based free platform where you can create and customize any type of website. And here you do not need any type of coding skill. Once we install WordPress, the website is live on the internet. And if you go to visit our site, you will see that the website is showing as a blank page. So I can understand that this is absolutely not looking as a website, but don't worry, we'll be transforming this dull looking website into a great looking website. So let me close a few of these windows and let us go to the WordPress dashboard and get introduced to some of the important functions of the WordPress dashboard. So the first important part of this dashboard is the appearance, and under appearance you will see the themes. So themes is something which will give the look and feel of your website. The second important part is the plugins. So plugins will give additional functionalities to our website. So let us get on to the first thing, that is the themes. And if I click here, it will take me to the themes. So let me close the unnecessary things here. And here you will see these things which are called the themes. So there are two types of themes that you get for WordPress. The first type is the one that you are looking at on the screen, and these are called the free themes. There are other themes called the pro themes or the paid themes for which you need to spend some money. So here, as we had discussed, we'll be making use of a free theme, and the name of the theme is the Flocks theme. So let us check out how to add a new theme to our website. And for this, you need to click on Add New. And here, if you search the theme name, so I will type Flocks, Phlox, and you will see the Flocks theme. And now if you click on install, it will install this theme to our website. And now it has completed the installation. So now I can just click on activate and the theme will get activated on our website. So here I got a notification about installing one of the plugins. And if I just click on this, it will install the Flocks core plugin. It is also installing the second required plugin, that is the Elementor plugin. And here we are on the Flocks theme dashboard. From this dashboard, you can make out why I have recommended the Flocks theme to make this website. The first thing is it is very easy to customize this theme, and we will soon see how we can customize the whole website in few clicks. The next option is the demo importer, and from here, just with one click, you can import the complete website of your choice. The next thing is about the templates, and here you can select different templates, pages, and sections of the website, and you can easily customize them. The next option on the dashboard is about the plugins, and we will see the plugins separately. The most important thing about this theme is that it has a lot of tutorials given on the dashboard itself, and you can simply follow these tutorials to know more about the customization of the website. So let us now go to the demo importer and find out which all demos are available for us to import. So you'll see that there are total 182 templates that you can simply import and create your website. From these, we will be selecting the blog and the magazine templates. So if we go to any of the templates, you will see there are few options like the preview and the import option. So if you click on preview, you'll see the template preview, and here if I scroll down, you'll find that this is a very nice design, and I can simply import the complete website just by one click. So let us now find out a nice template and import it on our website. So I will scroll down, and we will be making a blog website. So we need to select a nice template accordingly. It has the food blog. If you want to create a travel blog, it has the journey or the travel agent. It has the classic blog, modern blog. If you are creating something related to food, it has the vegetarian as the name of the template. But this has been labeled as pro only. So this is a paid template. You can check out one more free option, that is all-in-one. So let us preview this template. You will see a nice hero section here. Below that, you will see the categories, introduction of the blog author, subscribe and follow buttons, and here you will see the blogs. So I guess this is a nice template, and let us now import this template to our website. So I will close it and I will scroll up and click on import. Now it says for better and fast results, it is recommended to install the demo on a clean WordPress website. So this is a fresh installation, so no worries about it, and we can click on continue. Now it is asking us to install the required plugins for this demo. So let us install the plugins. Now it is asking us to remove the watermarks. And here, if you have the Envato Market subscription, you can connect it to our website and you can simply use the demo images. But we are not going to use the demo images. So I will click on skip. So here it says import demo content of Flocks theme. The default option selected here is the complete pre-built website, which also includes the media. So I will say import content. Now it is going to take 5 to 10 minutes to complete this process, and we just need to be little patient about it. And here is the website that we have just imported. So I will scroll down and you can see all the content which was there in the demo has now been imported to our website. So if I scroll up, we can check the pages which are pre-built for us, and I will go to blog, and here is our amazing blog page. So if you check, all the content and the format is ready for us, and we just need to change the things according to our need. Let's check the other pages also, and I will go to contact. Here you have a beautiful contact form ready for you. And on each of the pages, you will see a beautiful footer created for you. Now on each of these pages, you will see that there is a default content including the images and the text imported. So let us see how we can change this text and make the things customized as per our requirement. So to edit any of these pages, you just need to go to Edit with Elementor and click on it. And now the page is open in the editor format. Elementor Page Builder is one of the popular page builder which allows one-click editing. And let us see how we can do the editing. So I will just close this navigator. And now on the left side, you will see all the elements. And here on the image, if I take the cursor, you'll see that this part is getting highlighted. So if I now click on this pencil button, I get the relevant options on the left side. So as you see, the text "no coding required" is reflecting here. So this is the heading for this section. And if you go to secondary heading now, you will see the text "best theme for Elementor." It is reflecting over here. So simply by changing this text, you can change the content for this section. So for example, I will change this text to WordPress web designing. So let me correct it. So now if you wish to change the color of this text, you can simply go to styles, and here you'll get the typography and the color options. So if you want to change the typography for any of the text, you can simply click on this pencil button, and you can change the font family, font size, font weight, and you can have different style for this text. For example, if I want to change the family of this font, I can simply click on the drop down button and type any font name. So I will change the font to Poppins and the size of this text to maybe 70. And you will see the changes happening immediately on the screen. Similarly, now if I go to the secondary heading, I can change the typography, and I will change the font size here and reduce it. So I will make it 70. And also now if I go to the color, I can select from the drop down. Maybe I will make it black. And you will see the color of this font changing to black. So this is how you can change the text color and the text content on any of the sections. Now let us check out how we can change the image in the background, as this image is not looking good. Since this is the first section, it is not allowing me to click on the section part. So I can go to navigator. And now if I click on the section, I see the options for it. So let us go to style, and you will see the same image here. So if I click on this image now, I get the option to insert media, and here I can upload any images that I want on my website. So let us click on select file. Here I will select one image. So now we have this image uploaded, and if I say insert media, you'll see that the same image has now changed and we have our custom image on our website. So if I now preview this, this is exactly how our website will look. Now again, we can go back and change this text because it is not looking good with the black color. So I will go to style, and for the secondary heading, I will go to the featured color and I will change the color again back to white. So this is how we can customize all the things on the home page and the other content on the website. So let us check out the next section, and this section is for the categories. So if I now click on this image, now I see the content options, and here there is no header and there is no content, but I see only a button. So let us click on the button, and here I can change the button label WordPress. And now if I have a page, I can give the URL here, and if the person clicks on this button, they will be taken to this URL. So this is how you can create the linking for any of the pages. Now let us change the style for this section, and for this I will click on style. So let us first change the background image, and for this I will go to wrapper. Here, if I scroll down, I will see the image which is in the background. So if I click on this image, it will take me to the image section. And from here, I can check the image size and I can create a custom image of the same size. So I have already created one image, and let us upload the image first. So I will go to select files. And here I will select this image and say insert media. And immediately you will see the background image has changed to the custom image that we have uploaded. So let us play with the color of this button. And for this, I will go to the button. Here I will go to the color, and I will select the black color. And for this now, I need to have the text color as white. So now if I scroll down, I see the button text, and here I can go and change the color for this button text to white. And you will see that the button color has changed to black with the text color as white. So this is how you can change the other sections too. And I will click on this section now and go to button. Here I will change the text to Elementor. Now I will go to style, to the wrapper, and I will select a different image here for Elementor, and I will insert this image. So you'll see that the button is overlaying the image and it is not looking good. So you have two options. You can change the position of this image, or you can delete this button. So let us see how we can delete the button. And for this, let us go to content and go to button. Here you can disable the display button option, and you will see that there is no button on this image now. Secondly, what you can do is you can go to the style again, go to wrapper, and here you will see that there are different options for the image. So if I click on this drop down now, let us go to custom and see how we can change the image position. So I will change the axis. So if I change the x-axis position, it moves to left or right. So I will place this image over here. And now if I go back to the content and button, I can simply enable this button and I can position the button and the image accordingly. Secondly, if you want to copy the section that you have already created, you can simply right click on this edit column and you'll get the option as duplicate. And if you click on this duplicate option, you will get the exact copy of the section that you have already created. Now I can simply delete this section and change the background image here. So I will go to style and quickly go to wrapper and change this image, for example, to this. And I have the exact copy of the section that I have created. And now I can go to the third section and again duplicate the section and change the image. So this is how you can work smartly with these sections and create the exact copy of each of the section that you have created. So I will duplicate this. I will delete this. Again, I will duplicate it and I can simply delete this. So you will see that exact copy of the section is created and the section is now looking good. So we have changed the hero section, the next category section. Now let us get on to the next section. And for this, click on the pencil button. And here you'll see the grid and carousel post. So this is an element used to display the post on our website. So once you click on this button, you will get the options on the left side. And here you can set the query for this particular element. So this element is currently displaying the post from the categories. You can select the number of posts here. It is currently displaying only one post. I can make it 2 posts and you will see that now you have 2 posts from this category. So you have the option to exclude the post without media and exclude all custom post formats. You can also include a particular post to this section and you can just click on this plus button and you can simply click on the category or the post type, or you can place the link for the post and the same post will be displayed in this section. You can also change the order by which the post will be displayed. Further, if you scroll down, you have a few more options. And here, if you click, you'll see there are different formats for the pagination. So if I select this particular format, you'll see the load more option has changed. And if I select a different format, you'll see the change in the pagination on this section. So I will keep it to this one. And now I will also change the query to show only one post here. So these are the options to display the number of posts, particularly for this section. So let us go to style. And here I will see different options related to the post display. So here, if you see, you can style the title. If you want to change the bottom space, you can simply do that from here. So I will keep this as default. Now, if you want to change the post info, you can change it from here very well. You can change the color for the post info. You can change the typography and the space between the metas. You also have the control over the excerpt. And here you can adjust the color, typography, and the bottom space like this. If you want to change anything related to meta, you can do it from here. The important thing is about the wrapper. And here you'll see different options for the padding for the content, background type. And the important thing is you can change the alignment to center or maybe to the right. So this is how you have a total control over the display for this section. If you want to change something on the read more button, you have the options here. So let us now update this section. Now, if we scroll down, you will see this next section. And if I click on the edit pencil button, so here also you will see this section is made with the grid and cursor post, and it is again displaying post, but in a different format. So if you want to include different types of posts under different categories, you can do it from here. Here, the number of posts have been set to 6. So you'll see that this is a grid which is displaying 6 posts, and there is a load more button with a different style. So the best thing about Elementor is that you can create your own section as well. And if you click on this small plus button, you will see different structure types and you can select any one of these. So I will select a single section. Now here, if you click on these 9 boxes, you can simply search for any element. So I will search for elements related to the post. So you have different post display types, and from here you can select any of the display type you like. So I will select this display type and I will simply drag it to this box. And you'll see that the display for the post is different and you have a different look for your website. So if I now go to preview, you'll see that this section is looking great. I can also play with the display of this section, and for this, if I go to the style section, I can change the title style and other things from here. Second thing about the Elementor is that you can use different pre-made templates, and for this, if you just click on this folder button, it will take me to the library. So here you will see different blocks and pages. So first we'll see the blocks. So here, if you scroll down, you will see different blocks that you can use it on your page. So if I scroll down, there are different blocks displaying different information. You will see few of the blocks which are labeled as pro. So you need to pay for these sections. So if you want to search for a particular block, you can just search it from the search bar, or you can select it from the category. So I will search for the contact, and here you will see different contact forms. From this, I will select this block, click on it, and I can simply click on insert. Here it is asking me to connect to the template library. So I will click on get started. So it has now connected our website to the free Elementor account. So you just need to create a free account on elementor.com and connect your website to use these blocks and templates on your website. So if I now preview this page, it looks nice. So it has all the things already created. So I can simply go to this section, and now I can place the link for the Facebook page of mine, or I can go to Twitter and place the link for this. I can also change the text, and maybe I will align it to center, the email address, and also the title. I will make it center. So this is how I can customize any of the sections and make it my own section. So let me update this, and if I preview now, the section is looking great. So this is how with Elementor you can create different sections for the pages. Now let us see how we can create a complete page with the templates. So for this, let us go to the dashboard and go to pages, say add new. And here, give this page a title. For example, I'm creating the About Us page. So I will name this as About Us and simply publish this page. And now if I click on Edit with Elementor, I have this blank page created for me. Now I will click on this folder button and go to pages. Now here I will search for about, and I will try to find a good template for this page. So there are many templates, but those are all pro templates. So I will just show you one template. I will insert this now and apply. And the complete page is now imported on our website under the About Us section. And you'll see that these templates really look professional, and you already have all the design made for you. You just need to change the text and the images and make this as your own page. So you can create different pages accordingly and connect those to your website. So I will just update this page. And now if I go to the WordPress dashboard, here I will go to appearance and the menu. So under the menu, I see few items already there. And now I will search for the new page that I have created. So it is displaying here. So I will select this page and say add to the menu. And if I now select it and save this menu, now if I visit our website, you'll see that the page is now added to our menu. And if I simply click on this link, it will display the same page that we have just created. So this is how you can create new pages and add those to your menu. So let us now go to the home page and now check out how we can create our first blog. So for this, I will go to the dashboard. And here I will click on the post and go to add new. So here I just need to give the post title, and to take the reference, I will open one of the blog that I had already created. So let me open the blog. So this is the blog that I had created a few days back, and let me copy the title of this blog and place it over here. So I will simply save this as draft. So there are many videos related to the SEO and blog writing. You can refer a few of the videos and start writing the blog content. The main thing about blog writing is about the SEO, and there are few plugins like Rank Math and Yoast SEO, which you can use it on your website to have a SEO compliant content written on the blog. So here next I will click on the plus button and I will get different options. So now I want to add a paragraph. So I will click on the paragraph and copy the content from here. So I'm copying the content just to save some time because I cannot take you through the complete process in this short video. So next I want to add another block and I will click on the plus button. And here I want to have a heading. So it has already selected heading 2. I will show you how to add the table of contents. So this is my first heading. So this is the main heading and this is the heading 2. So I will insert this heading here. Now again, I have some text and then an image. So I will copy this text. And now again, click on the plus button, the paragraph, and I will insert this paragraph here. Now let us see how we can insert an image on this blog. And for this, I will again click on the plus button. And here this time I will select the image block. Now it has given me the options for the image and I can simply click on the upload button. select one image from here, and the same image will now be inserted here. So I just need to give some caption for this image. Classic widgets. So I have just inserted this image. So next I will check, I have another heading. I will just copy that and come back to this page. Click on this plus button. I will say a heading, sorry, and insert this heading. Now next I need to have the paragraph, and I will copy this text and copy it to the paragraph section. So let me first add the next heading. So I will insert this heading, and now I will copy this text, insert it into a paragraph. So this is how you can build your blog and write the content on the blog. So let me save this draft, and now we will go back to the WordPress dashboard. So here I will go to the dashboard, and from here go to plugins. So we haven't seen about the plugins, so let us click on the plugins that are installed. So here you will see all the plugins which are on our website. So plugins, in short, these you can consider as small softwares which add different functionalities to your website. So for example, we are already using the Elementor, and Elementor is a page builder with which you can build beautiful websites. So here, if you want to add any new plugin, you just need to click on Add New. And now to create the table of content, you can search for simple TOC, remove the space. And here you'll see the simple TOC, table of content block. So you just need to click on the install now and activate the plugin. Now this will add a functionality with which we can display the table of content on our blog. So let us go to the page that we are editing, and here we need to refresh the page. So now if I click on this plus sign and type TOC, you will get this kind of a block. So you just need to drag and drop this block to this position. And you'll see that it has already created a table of content with the help of the headers that we have given to each of the paragraph. So this is how you can create the table of content on any of your blog. So I will just save this draft. And now if I go to preview, you'll see that we have a nice looking blog. And we already have the subscribe and follow buttons here. So if you wish, you can place a header image for this blog. And for this, I will go to the editor. And here in the settings, I will scroll down and click on the featured image. Here, I can go to the images and select any image. So I will again select the same image and set this as a featured image. So if I now save this draft and go to preview, you will see that our blog now has a header image and also the table of content, a nice image. And this is how you can create all your blogs. Now let us go back to the editing page and publish this blog and view our website. If you now scroll down, you have our blog image and the summary of the blog. So you can change the image size and make it appropriate for your website. So to find out the proper image size, let's go to the dashboard. And here I will go to all posts. And here I will go to the blog which are already published on this theme. So I will click on edit and scroll down to find out the featured image. Now, if I click on this image, I can see that the image size is 1150 by 789, and the image that we have set is having a different dimension. So now if I again click on this image, I will create an image of this particular size. So for this, I will go to Canva. Now here I will click on create a design, go to custom design, and here I will check the dimensions for the image 1150 by 789. So I will create the canvas and I will click on create new design. So let me close this. Now here I can upload any image. I will go to upload media and select this image. So now we can place this image on this canvas. I can simply enlarge the image to fit to the canvas. And now we can download this image. Save this image now to the same folder. And if we now go back to our website, we can upload the image that we have just created. Now, if I set this image as the featured image, it will be set as a featured image for this blog. But we want to change the image on the blog that we have created. So let us go back to the WordPress admin. And we will not save the changes here. So go to the post, all post. And here is the blog that we had created. So let us go to edit. And if we now scroll down, you can select the replace image. And you can simply select the image that we have uploaded and set this as the featured image. So now if we update the blog, you will see the post. And here now we have a different image, which is of the size that has been specified on the pre-published blog. So let us visit the website one more time. And here, if you scroll down, you'll see a different image now for the blog that we have just published. So this is how you can create your blog and set the featured image. You can also set the design and the look of the front page. And you can have different type of grid and carousel for the display of blogs on the front page. So let us now do some customization for our website. And the first customization we have is for the header section. And for this, let us hit the customize button. So let me close this unwanted tab. So here on the left hand side, you will see all the customization options. So let us go to the site identity. And here you can set the logo image. So if I click on this logo now, it will take me to the media library. So let us scroll down and find out the logo here. So here is the logo image and the image dimension is 119 by 0.14 pixels. So you can select any image of this dimension, or you can create a logo and upload it over here and set it as a logo for your website. So to upload an image, I will click on Upload Files and select the file. Here I have the logo image. And now if I say select and skip cropping, this image will be set as the logo for our website. So let us also change the second image. And I will add this as the second image as well. You will see that the logo has changed here. And this is how you can place your custom logo on your website. So let us now make this header a sticky header. And for this, let us go to the header and go to header templates setting. Here you will see enable sticky header. And if you enable this, you'll get different options for the sticky header. So let us make the sticky header height to 40. And let us change the background color. So I'll make it little black and now publish it. So let us again check how the page is looking. So if I scroll down now, you will see that the header is stuck on the page. So this is how you can create a transparent header and make it stick to the page. So let us see a few more customization. And now we will check the customization for the footer. So if you scroll down now, you will get to the footer, and the footer options are here. So let us go to the footer templates. And here you will see different templates available for you to choose for the footer. So let us select one of this, and I will select this as the footer template. And immediately you will see that the footer for your website has now changed. So you can also customize this footer. And for this, let us first publish the footer and close the customization tab. Here you need to go to the edit header and footer, and you can go to the last option for the footer. And the current footer selected is the shop digital footer. So you need to click on this. So it will take you to edit the template. And here you need to click edit with Elementor. So here now you will see the options to edit the footer, and you can customize it as per your requirement. Now I don't need all these company logos. So I will simply cut this section. Now I have the option to change the logo image and also the text below. So simply by clicking the pencil button here, I get the option to change the text for this section. So I will just change a few things here. Now you will see the changes reflecting on the page also. Now on the second section, if I click this, it will take me to the title of this section. So I can change the title to maybe quick references. And to check this section, I can click on the edit pencil button. Here you can select a different menu by creating a menu in the menu section. Now let us get on to the contact section. And if I click this button, I can change the title for this section to contact us. I can also change the font and the alignment. Now if I go to the secondary heading, I have the option to give a secondary heading and put a link to the section. Next, I will click on the description. So now here I can change the contact number and the address. The last section is for the subscribe to our email. And if I click this, I can change the title for this section, also the secondary heading and the description. You can create a contact form using the contact form 7, and I can select the forms from the drop down here. Now next I can change the copyright text, and simply if I click on the edit button, I can change the copyright text and customize it as per my requirement. The next section is a link for the privacy policy and terms and conditions. So I can select the page and put a link for the page here. Now let us see the last customization, and it is about the blog page. So let us go to the blog page. So I'll click on blog. And now I will click on the customization. So on the left hand side, if I click on the blog customization, I will see the customizations related to the blog page. So the first option is for the single post, and you can have the single post sidebar position changed as per your requirement. So let me open a single blog. So now I have the options for the single post page, and here the first option is for the single post sidebar position. If you want, you can disable the sidebar as well by simply selecting a design which has no sidebar. So here now you will get the relevant options to change the content and the other things related to the single post. Now let us go back to the settings. Let us go to the blog. And now here, if I click on the blog page, from here you can control the display of the blog page, and you can display or hide the post information. You can hide the post date and the author. And also, if you do not want to display the post category, you can simply disable this button. So these are few important customization settings, and you can check out all the customizations from this page. So now we are done with the important customization for our website, and let us now see some important plugins which are important for the success of your blogging website. So for this, let us go to the WordPress dashboard and click on the plugins. So here you'll see that a few of the plugins are already installed for you. So the main important plugin with which we have designed our website is the Elementor Page Builder. The next important plugin for our website is the Contact Form 7. And with this plugin, we are able to create the contact form on our website. So if you go to the contact, you will see that we have a beautiful form, and this form is created using the Contact Form 7 plugin. The next important plugin that our blogging website must have is the MailChimp for WordPress plugin. With this plugin, you will be easily able to collect the email addresses of the visitors. The next important plugin that we have already installed is the Table of Content blog plugin. We have already seen how to create the table of content on our blog using this simple TOC plugin. But the most important plugin for the success of any blogging website is the SEO plugin. If you go to Add New and search for SEO, you will see that there are hundreds of SEO plugins available for you to do the SEO for your blogs. Doing a proper SEO will help you reach maximum number of people, and hence it will lead to a big success of your blogging website. There are two most popular SEO plugins, and one of them is the Rank Math SEO plugin, and the next one is the Yoast SEO plugin. So with the help of these two plugins, you can create a content which will rank better on Google and other search engines. So with this, we have come to an end of this tutorial. Hope you have learned the techniques and you will be able to create a blogging website on your own. So hope this tutorial was useful to you. And if you are new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get the notifications for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much and take care.